Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to fix this headphones and microphone adapter that I use at work, and it's clearly not in the best of conditions. Yeah, so this is made by our IT guys from this cable, which plugs into the Cisco phone, and you should be able to plug your headphones in one of them, but I don't remember which one of them, and your earphones in the other. But as you can see here, yeah, these things never make contact. They always cut you in the middle of a meeting, so they are just really bad. And weirdly enough, it's quite hard to find this particular adapter in a good quality one. You find headphones with this thing, but I want to use my own headphones. We all have our own headphones there, so yeah. Let's see what I can do right here. This is from a PC motherboard. I unsoldered it at some point. These are way better connectors, obviously, so I will just solder to them and then probably put a big blob of glue around here. So yeah, that should be it. Let's start some high-speed video. Really important, I do not know the pinout on this thing, so I need to get it sorted, and I'm going to use this connector, which is perfect because I can check with the pins from here and with the pins from here, so I know what should go where. So let's get to it. Figure out the pinout. This middle pin is a ground and it's common, and we have one side here and one side here for one of the plugs, and for the other one side here and one side here. And when I say one side, I mean left versus right. But this thing is a mono. It only has two wires for headphones, two wires for microphone. So I need to bridge left with right for one plug and left with right for the other plug. And the other pins are for jack sensing, so the motherboard knows when you plug something in. Because if you remember, when you plug something in, most motherboards show pop-up display and ask you what did you plug in. Line, line out, microphone, speakers, whatever, because many motherboards actually allow you to switch. You have an output here, or you can have an output here, or other way around, microphone in any of the connectors. Yeah, they allow you to do stuff like that. And again, for me, another thing, it doesn't matter which one of these two will be microphone or speaker, because I'm just going to draw on the side of these things when I get to work, because I do not know these colors, if they are universal for this adapter, or the IT colleagues just used whichever cable they got, so I don't know which are the speakers and which is the headphone connector. So let's get into soldering now. If you're wondering how I knew the polarity, well, green is ground, this one doesn't really matter, and here ground was black, so again this one doesn't matter. Green and black are together in the ground pin, then we have an orange or one nut here and a yellow one nut here, and then bridged left to right, so everything should be okay. And if you haven't worked with them, these telephone wires are the worst. They are extremely, I don't know, springy. This is extremely tough, the outer layer, and they have just a tiny bit of copper in the middle. So if you bend them just a tiny bit too much, yeah, they're out of there and they break. So, and if you are wondering why I'm not using my wire strippers on them, yep, does not work, too thin. And probably it would even break the copper if I try to use it. So yeah, I need to use this. Now let's put glue all around this thing, because this area needs to be protected here, otherwise it will break once again. Okay, the glue is on, and I just need to turn this around until this blob solidifies. And luckily it is 5-minute epoxy, so in about, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes it should be solid enough that I can leave it in place and it will not deform too much. But I will most likely play with it like this for about 20 minutes, turn it around on all sides. Yeah, it's not the best looking thing, but it needs to work, because the other one clearly wasn't. Ta-da! And it's finished. And yeah, I was thinking how to test it, but I have absolutely no way of testing it until I go to work and plug it into my phone and see if it works. I could paint this thing, but I don't know. This transparent blob actually seems quite interesting to me, so yeah, I'm not going to paint it. It will stay like this, and it will do its job. And you will get an overlay of text if it's actually working or not. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Maybe check out my other similar videos, subscribe to my channel, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye!